I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Salut tout le monde, welcome back to the channel. I am back with I'm actually back with a tan, right? I have been enjoying myself, rightfully so, because I have been under a lot of stress lately. Just mainly things that I, want to do for myself. But anyways, I have a tan because I have been enjoying myself. And yeah. So on today's video, I am back with another makeup look. Yeah, let's go. We are going to prime. We're gonna have fun in the sun. The hard work is not done, but we're still having fun in the sun. Work is done. Everybody 1 for all for one. Oh, please. Ooh, the eyes. Okay, here we go. Okay. I I think I did decent. It kicked my ass. It kicked my entire derriere, like both cheeks. It kicked my behind, but I'm done, and this is the final look, and I like it. Yeah. Do let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. But until then, I hope to see you in the comment section. Bye.